Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Dominoes Seven. Sorry. Hello, everybody. I'm Red Hork. I'm really Domino, okay? All right. I'm watching The Price is Right with Drew Carey. All right. As y'all see that, all right. Not now watching Price is Right with Drew Carey. You know, after waking up 2 o'clock in the morning, or was it 3 o'clock in the morning or something like that? I don't know why I was up that early. You know. All right. So, how many of y'all are Price is Right fans? Y'all know I'm a Price is Right fan. Y'all know that I'm a Price is Right fan. Let me take my glasses off. So, what the hell? Yep. I'm not gonna say I'm not supposed to wear glasses. You know. But I am supposed to wear glasses. Cause I started going a little nearsighted when I was living in New Iberia, so my eyesight improved without glasses, and then my eyesight started declining, so that's why. All right, all right, they done switched the prices right a little bit, supposed to be three models instead of one. All right. Oh, my friend online. Let me see if she wanna. See if she wanna be added. Well, I, hmm, I guess y'all won't be added. uh, and she declined. What the hell? All right. So she on a commercial and stuff like that. Just doing it. Hey Domino. She said, "Hey Domino." Uh, she commented, "Yes, indeed." Hey, hey, Dobbs. All right. I wonder who else is watching a Domino Seven show. She could have been well. Well, she probably at work. I can't just do that while she at work. Hello there, and she laughing at me. Ha ha ha! Very funny. She was laughing at me, folks. You're laughing at me, huh, Dobbs? Well, this is going on to future generations. Ha 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 to you too. Okay. Who else is watching the Domino Seven show? All right. I want to bring on the TV. She don't wanna. She don't wanna talk. Her. Well, well. I'm gonna go later. Okay. Yep. So just in case you're watching and stuff like that, look what I got. You know what this is? You know what that is? Of course you know what that. Well, how have you been? Huh? Well, how have I been? Well, I can't say if you would have been watching my show, you would have known, but I can't tell you that because the reason why I can't tell you that because I haven't been making no new shows lately, you know. So I've been good. Who else is watching? Huh? All right. Okay. So she rather just here we go. Look at what I'm watching. I was watching Ren and Stimpy last night. Come on down. For some of you that don't know, if you're on my Facebook friend list, and if you're watching me on YouTube, uh, 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 the announcer is George Gray. Okay, over the years, before we was born, it was Johnny Olsen that was the announcer. First Johnny Olsen, then Rod Roddy, then Rich Fields, and now George Gray. And as y'all watch the show, and Dimes, if you're still watching Domino, I've been good, okay? So being a smart aleck tub on national TV or something like that, you know. So if I'm doing it on while watching everything on national TV and stuff like that, so Dimes, I sure would like for her to, well, it ain't much okay. Dobbs, you know what that say? Super Mario World. Well, let's go back upstairs and watch The Price is Right. Okay. And she got offline. That old. Well, I'm not gonna say anything though. Did she get offline? Nah, she didn't get offline. Yeah. Well, all right. I must say I'm glad that Doms was watching me though. She probably still watching me right now. Okay. I just want to make her laugh. If she's still watching this, I bet she laughing and sticking her tongue out. She ain't watching no more. Doms ain't watching no more. Yes, indeed. So she got off. She really got off. She had to turn my show off, you know. I wonder. Well, I better be careful because I don't know who else is watching Dominoes 7 right now. You know, I don't know who watching Domino. You know. Well, I came in this next room. Y'all know what's on? The Three Stooges. She probably went back to work. I'm super duper excited that Dominique watched my show. Doms, I should say. So if you're watching me on Facebook Live and the video's not on YouTube, if you I don't know how to explain it though. If you're from New Iberia and you watch my previous shows, you know who I'm talking about. I guess if you watch the episode though, well, I don't know. Wait, look at this pricing game. Now or then. This is now or then. They ain't showing Plinko today. Oh no. Okay. Well, maybe I should do my Facebook Live watching Jeopardy. Well, I ain't gonna see if they. Let me go outside. Woo! It's a beautiful.